crane operator is amazing. He's like threading a needle to try to get at the limb that's on the back side of this tree from over there. You can't even see the limb. And he's gone up through the tree without touching a branch. Awesome. Really, really good at this. So lowered, that branch is gone. Now he's going after the higher one. Wait, does the backyard look different already? Wow. Almost done with the second branch. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah,
makes a big difference.
And the nice thing is, too,
Here's the last bunch of stuff to go. Really good work. Awesome. Imagine how many hours using the crane must save. Really phenomenal. It's R.J. Shirley Crane Company. Very impressed. Well, I noticed this problem branch, but Andrew's taking that one off too. Yeah, really, really high branch. Cleaning up down below. And try to take that one out that's over the neighbor's garage. I'm sure they'll appreciate. And so, hang up. Let's go take off that dead end. There goes a lot of trees. It's a big crane that came down it.